Beard Me announces the arrival of their free travel size of unscented beard wash, oil, and balm sample package. If you were curious or wondering what beard wash, beard oil and beard balm can do for your beard, here is the opportunity to see results for yourself. Fortunately, our free travel size sample package was designed to do just that. All you do is pay for shipping and handling. So, you want to keep your beard clean and smelling fresh, smart thinking. After all, a clean beard will make your beard look and smell great. So, whether you want a clean beard, eliminate the dry flaking and itching beneath your beard, or to add a sheen to your beard, we have the perfect package for you. One of the best ways to keep your beard clean and smelling fresh is to wash your beard with specially designed wash for those rougher facial hairs. Yet unfortunately, cleansing with regular soaps only helps to dry out the skin and remove the natural sheen of your beard. That's why our Beard Me beard wash, oil and balm was created. Using them is the perfect way to clean and freshen your beard. Click the button on the screen right now to see the package we've recommended for you.